Paws in the air!
Meow?
Ow!
I slept like a baby last night.
No, really. An abandoned crib washed up on the beach.
This wall tastes
Like dirt!
What the dog doing?
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
awkward.
Awkward.
But what I really want to know is, how did you get in here?
You left the door open.
Hey guys! I made it!
You're late.
He's also a real buzzkill. And by the way, he roller skates.
They're air shoes.
Knuckles with his knuckles.
Got him! I've never seen such immature behavior.
We're on this ship for 10 more days and 10 more nights. Get used to it. Be brave. Sonic, we were captured because you were late. Because you didn't follow the plan. Because you decided to improvise.
See, and it was much better.
I don't believe you. You never liked stripes.
You've always been afraid I'd want to stay here. Believe what you want to believe, sis. But I know what I heard. Okay, what?
What the heck happened to you last night?
What?
How did those bots get their mitts on you?
I don't know. I guess I just let my mind wander and...
Yeah, what's with that? Is this about that?
An invite you got?